Hey guys, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. This one doesn't even have a company brand anymore, but I'm sure you see a lot of these on Amazon. What it is just a dual charger, so you can charge your iPhone and your Apple Watch at the same time. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing here. Simple packaging, kind of reminiscent of Apple. So of course, the inside is definitely not Apple. But let's see the quality here. So this is kind of like a lighter plastic, which is okay. The cable feels kind of Apple-like, and this is kind of like their the thread protector. Here's the USB plug. Feels a little thinner, not very polished. And this one, yeah, this seems okay. I mean, there's little defects here and there, but hey, this is quality. I mean, good enough, right? As long as this charges your watch, you can never get enough of watch chargers, right? But you could tell it's a little bit lighter. It's a little plastic feeling, but there it is. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll try to link a similar product that's on sale on Amazon. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy this unboxing.